Hey, what's up, y'all? Your boy Dominoes 7 here. Welcome to this Facebook Live, okay? Alright, so starting my day off on the right track. It's going to be a wonderful party, okay? Do a recording, Facebook Live, YouTube Live, you name it, okay? It's going to be a wonderful day, okay? I guarantee that. We got some piece of chicken and tacos, you know? Much we could, that we can handle, okay? So anyway, I mean, having a good day so far. People riding their bikes out here all day and everything, you know. As long as they don't do it in the middle of the night, you know, where the freaks come out at night, or the creeps come out at night, or whatever you want to call it, you know. So I want to say, y'all, everything been good for us so far, you know. So in the future, I'm gonna be a homeowner and stuff like that, you know. My mama will be proud of me, you know, owning a home, building up my credit and stuff like that, fixing this and fixing that and stuff like that. So, like they say, be careful who you be friends with, you know. My mom always say, everybody's not your friend. Remember that, folks. Everybody is not your friend. Trust and believe that, you know. I don't have a lot of friends, you know. But I have friends in general that are good and stuff like that, that is doing good with their lives, you know. Okay? So I don't hang out on the streets, you know, I don't, you know. So that's not the type of life I want to live, you know. Yeah, I lived in the hood, you know, the wrong crowd didn't want me around, saying that I was too lame to be around them, which I was lame though. I tried to be like them, you know. All right, I should say happy Sunday morning, you know, but happy Sunday morning, y'all. All right, so I know some of y'all people out there is going to church and everything. So I remember like it was yesterday, you know. My mama used to always tell me, well, not just me, us, go to sleep, church tomorrow, you know, go to sleep, school tomorrow. Last night was a church night. Tonight is a school night, you know. Yep. So some of you folks know what a school night is, you know. Everybody knows what a school night is, you know. So yep. Everybody knows what a school night is, you know. All right, so it's going to be a wonderful day, ladies and gentlemen. I can hardly wait. I can hardly wait for this for this day, you know. We gonna have some. So anyway, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna repeat something. So this is a pizza party that I was supposed to plan about a month ago. Okay. So I'm gonna do this pizza party today. So what kind of party should I call it? A pizza party or a pizza football party or something like that, you know? So I'm gonna have another party like this, you know, probably in November or December. It's not gonna be in October, you know. So I'm gonna put it like this though, you know. What I need to do, y'all, I need to try to do something to my Twitch, you know, because you know I want to broadcast on Twitch too. Okay, all right. So me broadcasting on Twitch, a stupid crow. Shut up. He go them two suckers over there. Look. They go them suckers right there. If y'all can see them, the stupid birds, stupid crows. I don't like crows at all. You know. Shut up! Don't make me come down there. Well, some people say those kind of birds is bad luck, but I doubt it. You know. Yeah, I'm talking about y'all. Yeah, I'm gonna go inside. I can't always tell And look at this guy right here. Oh, y'all see him? Him or her? I see you every morning. Huh. I'm glad you didn't fall off a tree. I don't care if you fall off a tree. Yeah. Squirrels are stupid sometimes, you know. As well as pigeons, you know. All right. Well, I love animals, you know, but I wouldn't harm no animals, you know. Yep, like Bob Barker would tell y'all, help control the pet population, have your pet spayed and neutered, you know. That's what that's what Bob Barker would always tell you folks out there on the field, you know. All right, so, well, I mean, it's not always a bad day, you know. So, by me just wanting to go put on the game and stuff, so must see on NBC, you know. It's gonna be a beautiful day, y'all. Okay. All right, so a beautiful Sunday morning right now. You know, everybody getting ready for church and stuff. Yep. I'm totally ready for my company. Y'all ready to come? Come on. It's showtime. All right. Yep. So yeah, it's showtime. Okay. All right. So that's all I got to say for right now, y'all. I'll talk to y'all later. I'm gonna get ready for this party. Okay. Do a little something. Okay. All right. Bye bye, y'all.